day are we using the other day worksheet as well?
Yeah, the carbon compound.
Okay.
Today we go for isomerism, carboxylic acid. So next week we can finish up this chapter, then chapter 3 lah. Okay.
Esterification, no need to do that, sir.
Esterification we need to do. The experiment is very important. The one we learn later lah.
That will do
Okay.
in school, sir.
Yeah, we will do next week also lah. Hi, Christina. Okay, first question done or not? You must understand the question. The question, they want the confirmatory test, So the product, they change a bit. They want the confirmatory test for each things, each product form. Actually, very easy to get. Okay, 1 minute or 10 seconds. Okay, now we go for question number 2. Okay, 1 minute, 10 seconds. Right, we go for question number 3. Okay, 1 minute, 5 seconds. This one very easy lah. Okay. Okay, we go for last question. Okay, time's up. Okay, we go for first question. Okay, Adi Anman, give me the first question answer. What is the answer? Swan? You know what?
B or C, sir.
D or C. Okay, we check this
D
one
or
is
C.
propanol. C, okay, we check this one propanol. Propanol, when react with excess of oxygen, you will get carbon dioxide. So you guys put here, this will be carbon dioxide. When carbon dioxide, what is the test? They want what? They want the confirmatory test, right? So what is the test for gas? L, this is gas L, right? So lime water. So these two lah. Can I? So L is carbon dioxide. So I put here CO2. All right. Now I go to J. So propanol reacted with phosphine chip. This is Al. Okay, Al2O3, phosphine chip. And what is the name of the process? We call dehydration. Dehydration of alcohol will give you propene. Propene gas. Propene is belongs to alkene. If you want to test this alkene, we use what? We use bromine solution. When you direct the gas into bromine solution, the brown bromine solution will turns into what? Into colorless. Right? Must memorize this. Okay. So this one, propanol undergo oxidation. This process is called oxidation. Yeah. Okay, this process is called oxidation. When propanol undergo oxidation, you will get what compound? You will get carboxylic compound. Carboxylic acid, right? Carboxylic acid, what is the test to show the presence of carboxylic acid? You react this acid, okay, with reactive metal. Okay, what are the reactive metal? Magnesium or zinc. You will get what gas? You will get pop sound gas. Okay, can I? Okay, so J, kita tengok J. J is propene, right? So we use bromine gas. Okay, can I? The K is carboxylic acid, right? K is carboxylic acid, right? You can take the acid reacted with metal carbonate, or we can take what? Calcium carbonate. You guys will get what? Carbon dioxide gas. This gas will turn the lime water cloudy. So the answer should be C. Very good, Adi Edmund. Okay, can I? Zia is here. Zia, I want to discuss the question you asked the day. Okay, now we go to this question. Okay, Faik, give me the answer. Madhuri, give me the answer. Hello. Okay, Inman, give me the answer. All don't know. Okay, so please remember this one. When alcohol, okay, turn into what? Into carboxylic acid. How you know this is carboxylic acid? You all see carboxylic acid. That means alcohol ada tiga reaction saja. DOC. Okay, C stand for combustion. Combustion, you know lah, the product is carbon dioxide and water. And one more, dehydration. Dehydration of alcohol will give you what compound? alkene compound. And next one is oxidation. Oxidation will give you what? Carboxylic acid. Understand? Oxidation, you need what? Acidify potassium dichromate 6. So answer D. Very easy. Okay, all of you jangan shy bagi jawapan je. Tak tahu tembak dulu. Okay, this one, monoprotic acid. Okay, siapa nak bagi jawapan? Amirul, can you give me the answer?
A,
Nikhil?
sir.
A, very good. Okay, always remember betul lah. Okay,
Oh, yeah.
monoprotic acid, monoprotic acid kalau strong acid dua. Hydrochloric acid and nitric acid. Okay, and weak acid, ini dua ni dipanggil sebagai apa? Strong, okay, acid. Tolong ingat jangan lupa. And one more, weak acid, which one is monoprotic acid? All carboxylic acid. Carboxylic acid CH3 ini tak pecah tau. COOH ini sahaja akan pecah. When ionized partially, okay, this ion will pecah. Dia akan pecah jadi monoprotic acid. So only one hydrogen ion akan pecah. So please remember. Okay kan So ini yang akan pecah. Ini takkan pecah, ini pecah. Okay, any question? Very easy this one Okay, we go for next question. Okay, what is the answer? Nikhil?
Sir, answer A, sir.
Answer A. So we check Okay, so this is alcohol. Okay, alcohol. Alcohol, and this is carboxylic acid. Carboxylic acid. What they want? Okay, they want how to differentiate this compound. So you use sodium hydroxide, you cannot differentiate, So this one cannot. Okay, alcohol DOC. Okay kan So ini tak boleh, bromine solution pun tak boleh. Okay, this one potassium ni manganate. So dia tak ada perkataan acidify. If ada alcohol boleh guna. Tetapi tak ada perkataan acidified means its own react. So ini pun tak boleh. Only this. Remember this is carboxylic acid. So when you take acid react with metal, you will get what gas? Hydrogen gas. When you put the burning wooden splinter, you bawa burning wooden splinter, you will hear what sound? Pop sound. And bila you test untuk ni tiada pop sound. Tiada gas bubbles bentuk. Here got gas bubbles. Here no gas because alcohol do not react with, you won't react with reactive metals. So you take C answer. Any question? Any question? Ini memang tak boleh tau. Ini tak boleh. Kalau ini ada acidify, okay, they put this one. Acidify potassium manganate 7, alcohol akan bertindak balas. So you can see the purple color solution turns colorless. Ini takkan bertindak balas. Okay, can Because of what? They didn't put acidify potassium manganate 7, no reaction. Any question? No question Okay, we go for our last question. Okay, this one. Okay. Siapa? Abhishek, give me the answer. Madhuri? Hinman? Zara?
The answer is A.
Answer is A. We check your answer correct or not. Okay, if let's say I go up line. Okay, I number first. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so this is butene and the double bond start after carbon number 2. So we put here and branch start at carbon number 3. So what is the name of the branch? We call methyl. So we put here 3 dash methyl. Okay, then the double bond. The double bond start at carbon number 2, right? Butene. So ini upline. So saya padam. I go down line. Okay, real image and mirror image. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so that means the double bond start after carbon number 2. Okay, after carbon number 2, double bond dah start dah. Ini semua saya padam. Okay, kan So, and the branch also attached at carbon number 2. So, here 2 dash methyl. Okay, boot. The double bond start after carbon number 3. So, which name is the correct name is this one. Kalau boleh, dua-dua pun lowest. So the answer correct. Well done, Madhuri. Okay, we go for last question. This one saya buatlah, tak apa orang ni Sulfur trioxide. When you put sulfur trioxide, make sure the formula is correct. You do like this. After that, they want the oxidation number of sulfur. Oxidation number lama tak keluar tau. So make sure you all practice. Okay, this one you all tengok sini. Tak ada apa-apa kan? So when you sum up 0, they ask the oxidation number of sulfur. So you all put sulfur X plus 3 oxide ion. What is the formula of oxide ion? O2 negative. When you sum up, take the 0, put here. Okay, X plus 3 times negative 2, 0. X minus 6, 0. X will be, you will bring the minus to the right hand side, it will turn into positive 6. So answer D. Any question? Practice question macam ni. Okay, kena? Okay, so kita buat. Okay, ini soalan Zia tanya. Okay, kena? Okay, Zia tanya soalan ni. Okay, this is para trial ni, midterm paper. Okay, kena? Okay, it is found that compound A does not conduct electricity. That means the compound A does not conduct electricity. Compound B conduct electricity when dissolved in water. So that means compound A adalah covalent compound. Compound B is ionic compound because ionic compound dissolve in water and also can conduct electricity because it's a freely moving ion. So di sini kan you kena tengok yang mana non-metal. Covalent compound non-metal plus non-metal. Okay, ini kena hafal. Formula dia simple. Covalent compound non-metal plus non-metal. Ionic compound metal plus non-metal. The problem for y'all, you masih tak tahu lagi siapa metal, siapa non-metal. For metal, please tengok valence electron. Valence electron 1, 2 ataupun 3, it is called metal. Valence electron 4, 5, 6, 7 all non-metal. You could sudah hafal benda ni sangat senang. So I check the group 17, 14. Group 14 is 2.4. Okay, contohlah period 2, right? So dia ada 2 number saja. Period 2 kena ada 2 number saja. Period 3 3 number. So 2.8.2. Ini kena ada 3 number. 2.8.17, right? 7. Okay, mana satu metal, mana satu non-metal. So you all put here, this is metal. So Y is metal. Okay, Y is metal. X and Z is non-metal, non-metal. Okay, can I understand? Okay, now compound A. Compound A is covalent compound, right? So you all check lah compound A, mana satu compound A. Compound A, X. Okay, compound A, X and Z. So X and Z. Okay, X and Z. Okay, compound A, non-metal, right? Okay, compound B is ionic compound, right? Metal plus non-metal, right? So it should be Y, Z. So Y is metal, Z is non-metal. Ini boleh. Kita tengok yang ni pula. X is non-metal, Y is metal. Boleh tak? Can or cannot? Okay, so this is 14, this is 2. Ini memang tak boleh. So the best answer A. Okay, dapat? Zia understand?
Understand, sir. Thank you.
Okay, okay. So now we go for today's lesson. Okay, today's lesson, isomerism. Isomerism sangat senang if you remember the format, Okay, before we go for isomerism, I want you all to memorize the meaning, Got 2 type of meaning. Isomerism meaning dia lain sikit. Isomer meaning dia lain sikit. And definition ni belum pernah keluar, so please memorize. Can I? Very simple. Isomer, same like isotope. Same, different. Same, different. Can I? Isomerism means you must put phenomena where a compound has, okay, what you put here, same molecular formula. Molecular formula means C2H4. Okay, C2H5OH. Contohlah. Okay, this is molecular formula. But it has 2 or more different structural formula. Isomerism kena hafal. Kena? Okay, so esok exam hari ni hafal. Okay, what is mean by isomer? Di sini kamu tak boleh letak more phenomena. Phenomena only for isomerism. What is mean by isomer? Molecules that have same what formula? Molecular formula. Okay, but different structural. Okay, structural formula. You guys already score 1 mark. This is page 24. Any question? Any question? Understand the formula, right? Okay, can I? Okay, isomer and isotope same, Isomer shows same chemical properties. Kalau isotope dia pun tunjukkan same chemical properties, right? Okay, why? Because it has same what? Same valence electron. Therefore, it shows same chemical properties. Isomer shows same chemical properties because it has same what? Same functional group. You kena letak same functional group. Any question? Kena. Isomer will show similar molecular formula, general formula, dia punya molar mass same. Okay, kalau dia tanya isomer, why isomers show same chemical properties? Because isomer have same functional group. Okay, satu markah. Isomers show different physical properties like melting point, boiling point, density, solubility. Okay, solubility tak boleh lah. Okay, density like that. Any question? Can I? So for isomer, remember this, can I? Okay, lepas tu carta ini kena hafal. Kena hafal. Okay, so isomer, alkane, alkene, alkyne, and alcohol. But your level, alkane, alkene, alcohol. You kena ingat. Isomer for alkane, N1. N1 means carbon 1, 0, 0, 0. N2, 0, 0, 0. N3, 0, 0, 2. Okay, N4, 2, 3, 4. Okay, kena hafal. 2, 3, 4. Okay, ini semua kena hafal. Saya dah buat untuk kamu, you just hafal saja. Okay, pernah keluar, okay, objective question like this. Otherwise, you have to do one by one. Okay, which of the following statement correctly shows the statement blah? Which of the following numbers shows correct number of isomers for butene? Butene, so where is your butene? This is alkene and 4, 3. So you have to put 3. Any question? No question. Isomer shows chemical properties because they have same what functional group. You guys already score 1 mark. Any question? This type of question kena hafal. Okay, kena. Okay, now we go for alkane. Number 1, I will do. Number 2, you guys do. Kena. Okay, macam mana nak buat? Okay, they give you this is molecular formula. Draw the isomers. They not more than 1, or they want everything. Okay, isomers for butane. Okay, macam mana nak lukis? So you have to do rangka like this, And then you do means memang takkan lari punya. And please remember long chain mesti lebih tinggi, branch mesti rendah. Okay, itu syarat pertama. Syarat kedua, the branch must present between the first and last carbon. That's all. Okay, saya ulang balik. So long chain mesti lebih besar daripada branch. Okay, branch try to use methyl only. Okay, can I? And the branch must present between first and last carbon. Okay, can I? So you tengok, ini adalah N4. Macam mana tahu? Tengok sini. Okay, can I? So first, you want to draw the first isomer N4, branch 0. You already do the rangka. Now you draw. Butane all C single bond. So what I do? 1, 2, 3, 4, branch 0. So each carbon must have 4 bonding. Okay, when you draw 1 mark, if they ask you to name, 1 mark, 2 marks. Okay, so you guys already score 1 mark. What is the name of this compound? So I put here butane. So rangka siap. Okay, lepas tu macam mana saya nak buat? Saya main sini. Okay, macam mana saya nak main? One more isomer, long chain reduce 1. Okay, branch you increase ni, put 1. So total, make sure total N is 4. And remember the branch must present between first and last carbon. So what I do, I draw the 3 long chain. So I already draw this. Can I? I'm teacher Kasturi from Jelapang. Okay, okay. Okay, can I? You already do it, can I? Can I? 1 mark. Okay. Long chain sudah dapat. Now I want to put branch. So what is branch? CH3 is branch. What is the name of the branch? Methyl. Okay, methyl. So the branch must present between first carbon and last carbon. Sini tak boleh, here. So I put the branch. So total N is 4. So each carbon must have 4 bonding. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Any question? So this is C4H10. Ini pun adalah C4 H10. Tetapi structural formula dia different. Any question? So you guys already score 1 mark. Name this compound. Number 1, number 2. So 2 dash. What is the name of the branch? Methyl. What is the name of the long chain? N3, right? So N3 propane. You guys already score 2 marks. Any question? So far, I already got 2 isomer. Any question? No question, eh? Okay, I try to check. Can I get another isomer or not? Okay, so can I get another isomer? Long chain 2. Okay, branch 2. Cannot. Cannot be same. Always remember long chain mesti lebih tinggi daripada branch. Can So ni tak ada. So dua isomer. Any question? Okay, kita tengok alkane jadual ni berapa dua isomer. Okay, so I still cannot do lah. You going very fast. Okay, I give you 1 minute. Y'all try to draw all the isomer for pentane. Okay, pentane. Okay, start from now. 1 minute, eh? Try to lukis. If y'all do rangka like this, easy for y'all to do. Okay, nah? Okay, those want to copy this can copy. Abhishek, understand?
Yes, I can.
Easy, this one. Only alkene alcohol, you have to play with the functional group. Okay. Otherwise, everything easy. Okay, done. You already copy. Okay, now we try to do for this. Pentane. Okay, pentane, we try together. Okay, all of you try together lah. Kesian y'all. Okay, the pentane molecular formula. Sir, how you get the molecular formula? Alkane. Okay, CnH2n plus 2. Okay, apply N5. Pentane, right? N5, you will get C5, H will be 10 tambah 2, 12. So the molecular formula is C5H12. If they ask you to draw, okay, all the isomers, you must do what? Buat macam ni. Okay, first always start long chain 5, branch 0. You start like this. Okay, bila you buat rangka macam ni, easy for y'all, you akan dapat systematic, you akan dapat semua dengan betul. So I do what? All same. 5 carbon. No branch. So each carbon must have 4 bonding. Ingat each carbon mesti ada 4 line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So I already got the answer. So the name of this compound is pentane. I already got one isomer. Okay, now what I do, I reduce 4. Okay, branch, I increase 1. You nak letak depan boleh, belakang pun boleh. Okay, can So what I do here, 1, 2, 3, 4. Can 4. You want to put in here, can. Di sini tak boleh, di sini tak boleh. You nak letak sini boleh, ataupun you nak letak sini boleh. Suka hati kamu. Both are same only. Satu real image, one more is mirror image. So saya letak di depan. Okay, ya, CH3. So total make sure 5 carbon. 5 carbon. Okay, so ini pun saya dah lukis. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, any question? Okay, what is the name of this compound? Cara nak buat, so you guys write down number 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so then you name this compound 2 dash. What is the name of the branch? Methyl. What is the name of the long chain? Butane. You guys already score another 2 marks. Any question? Any question? No question. Okay, can Okay, now I try to do another isomer. Okay, cuba tengok. Boleh dapat tak? Okay, long chain 3. Okay, branch 2. Boleh atau tak boleh? Boleh. Because why? The long chain still higher than branch. So what I do here? 1, 2, 3. Long chain, done. Branch, you cannot put here, cannot put here, cannot put here, cannot put here. First carbon, last carbon, tak boleh ada branch. Okay, can I? So what I do here, I put one branch here, another branch here. Need to put two branch. Can understand? Can understand? Okay, so each carbon must have, okay, 4 bonding. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, what is the name of this compound? First branch present at carbon number 2. One more branch also present at carbon number 2. 2, 2. And how many branch? Berapa branch? Dua branch, right? So, dua branch kita mesti guna di. Kalau tiga branch, kita mesti guna tri. So, I use di. What is the name of the branch? Methyl. And what is the name of the long chain? Propane. So you guys already score another 2 marks. Any question? Any question? Okay, kita tengok. Ada lagi tak? Ada lagi tak? So long chain, okay, reduce 2, branch, increase 3, cannot. So it has 3 isomers only. Faham? Any question so far? All of you understand? Understand, ah? Okay, understand, easy, right? Okay, easy. Okay, now we try to do for alkene. Alkene, I will do. Kalau you orang tak boleh faham, okay, you tengok contoh SPM punya soalan. Macam ni dia akan bagilah. Okay, kena? Okay, alkene, you have to play with the long chain. After that, branch. After that, you have to play with the functional group. Functional group, satu, you main dekat satu. Okay, carbon number 1. Start at carbon number 1. Number 2, you main dekat carbon number 2. 1, 2, 1, 2 ni. Okay, macam mana nak buat? Kita buat sama-sama. Okay, can I? This one we do together. Can I? All of you understand? This one you all practice. Okay, I give you 1 minute to copy down this. Nikhil, if I'm go very fast, let me know.
Okay, sir. Okay.
You understand this one?
Can, sir. Can.
Easy, easy. No worries.
So this one easy, sir.
Alkene also easy. If you check all these, C5H will be 12. Molecular formula. This one also C5H will be 12. This one also C5H will be 12. Molecular formula same, but if you see the structural formula is different, so this is called isomer. Okay, isomer. All these have same function, same chemical properties because their functional group are same. Okay. If done, one person angkat tangan. Hi Yasmin, how's your holiday? Okay.
Okay, Jason.
Okay, okay. Okay, now we go for alkene. Alkene, you guys, very simple also, no, easy, but you all have to play like this lah, can you kena main macam ni. Okay, alkene, butene, and I start with N4. Can N4, branch, I maintain 0, dapat, and functional group, I start at carbon number 1. Okay, I start with carbon number 1. So what I do here, 1, 2, 3, 4. I already done this. Okay, no need to put branch. Okay, functional group start at carbon number 1. Where is your carbon number 1? This is carbon number 1. After carbon number 1, you put functional group. Okay, then each carbon mesti ada 4 bonding. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Jangan pergi letak sini salah. Already 5 we know. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, C4H8. You guys already got the molecular formula. Can I? So you all write down this. C4H8. Sudah dapat molecular formula. Right? Okay, number 1, done. Okay, number 2, what I do, I maintain the same number. C4, okay, branch 0, But the C double bond, I start at carbon number 2. I got another isomer. What is the name of this compound? We call butene, or you can put but 1-ene. Mana-mana satu lah. Okay, can I? Okay, I maintain number 1 now, first one. Make it simple. Okay, so now I do what? I draw the same compound like this. Okay, lepas tu saya number 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, branch no need. So this one done. Double bond start after carbon number 2. Carbon number 2 after carbon number 2, I put double bond. Each carbon must have 4 bonding. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I already I already got C4H8. What is the name of this compound? This one would the double bond start at carbon number 2. I already got my second isomer. Okay, any question? Okay, lepas you buat macam ni, now only you do what? You try to reduce the long chain, increase the branch. Branch long chain 3, branch 1, C double bond C start at carbon number 1. Okay, macam ni. Okay, nah? So I do here 1, 2, 3. Okay, so what I do this first. C double bond C start at carbon number 1. This is carbon number 1. After carbon number 1, I put the double bond. Okay, the branch cannot present here, cannot present at the first carbon or last carbon. Must present between first and last carbon. Di antara carbon pertama dan carbon terakhir. So here. Can I? So here I put CH3. Jangan pergi tulis macam ni tau. Salah. Okay, jangan tulis macam ni. Sudah salah. Okay, the bonding should attach to carbon like this. Baru betul. Okay, so can or cannot? Can. Okay, each carbon must have 4 bonding. So di sini jangan letak. It's already full. Okay, can I? So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Any question? Okay, what is the name of this compound? Okay, this one, carbon number 1, carbon number 2, carbon number 3, right? 3 means propene. So the long chain branch is methyl. The methyl attached at carbon number 2. Long chain is propene or prop 1-ene. So you already got 3 isomer. Okay, we try ada lagi the isomer. Long chain 2, branch 2 cannot. So propene got butene got 3 isomer. Any question? Any question? No question. Okay, before you guys do this, okay, I give you 1 minute to copy down this. Y'all need to memorize N4, N5. Most probably N4 and N5. So kalau yorang tak faham benda ni, you just do the SPM format question. Okay, I'm sure all of you done. Okay, we go for this question. Before we do this question, tengok soalan ni. Okay, nah? Okay, siapa nak bagi jawapan? Inman, can you give me the answer? Anna? Auni? Christina? Diana?
So is the answer A?
Yeah, the answer A. Well done. Okay. Butene means C4H will be 8. Butene means must have double bond. Single bond semua buang tong sampah. Okay, dapat? And you see here 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, the answer butene. Answer A. Okay, I also don't know lah. Man, sorry. Yeah. Okay, butene means N4. Okay, so here C1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is pentene in man. Okay, N4 means 1, 2, 3, 4. So the answer B. Correct, in man. Okay, so it's okay. Okay, kita try question number 2. Okay, this one. Arvin is here.
Yes, sir, I'm here.
Okay, answer boy. Easy, easy.
A.
A. Okay, we check. Okay, so this is butene C4H will be 8. Butene. So this is C4H8 butene. So the name of this compound is butene. So this compound, sorry, not butene. Sorry. But 1, 2, 3, 4. So but, okay, 2ENE. Okay, so terimalah. Okay, this one. Okay, this is called butene. Terimalah. So 1 and 2. Okay, can I C4H8? Okay, this one. 1, 2, 3. So 3. Okay, so this is called 2-methyl propene. Propene, tetapi dia punya molecular formula C4H will be 8. Okay, tengok 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So ini pun terimalah. Okay, look at this one. Okay, this is called boot. Okay, the double bond start at carbon number 1. Okay, carbon number 1 and also carbon number 3. Carbon number 2, carbon number 3. Carbon number 3, berapa double bond? 2 double bond, right? So, diene. So, this is diene. Ini different, you know. Okay, butene means must have 1 double bond only. Satu double bond sahaja. Can I? So, this one cannot. So, the answer 1, 2, 3. So, the answer C. Understand or not? Understand? Okay,
Sir.
later I will share. Okay, later I will share all these. Y'all try to do. Can I? Okay, now y'all answer this question. 2 minutes from now. Page number 26. This one I design on my own. Amirul, ya. Apa sah ni? Kenapa Amirul? Dah siap eh? Amirul? Amirul, kenapa you angkat tangan? Ada apa-apa? Okay. Okay, jawab. This question is very easy, no. Jangan takut dengan soalan ini. Siapa dah cuba soalan ni? Angkat tangan. Oh, sebab tu Amirul dia angkat tangan. Okay, tunggu Amirul biar semua orang jawab. Now 9:15, 9:17, I will discuss this question.
Sir,
Hmm.
Just now Amirul said he want to ask question, but I think his mic.
Ask Amir. Dia
Oh, okay. His
what
mic not
question?
working. He said he
Okay, ask
texted
him.
you.
Text WhatsApp to me.
Chat. In the chat, I think.
So if not reply my. Okay, I check. Ada pun. Oh, it put in the chat. Wait. So bukan tanya pasal soalan metil propin tadi sebenar. Bukan saya tanya soalan metil propin tadi sebenar. Apa tu? Okay. Mana satu metil propin? Objektif Amirul? Objektif metil propin. This one 2 methyl propin. This one betul lah C4H8. Okay. Sebab dia isomer. Isomer boleh ubah dia punya nama kan. Tapi dia punya molecular formula same. Kalau you tengok molecular formula 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Dia punya hydrogen. If you tengok sini hydrogen. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. C4H8. Ini pun C4H8. Ini pun C4H8. Tetapi ini memang C4H8. Tetapi nama dia ada 2 double bond. Butin kena ada 1 double bond. Okay, this is but 1,3 diene. Okay, dia ada 2 double bond. 2 double bond. Ini yang beza. Okay, so ini salah lah. So nombor 3 tak boleh. So ini tak boleh, tak boleh, tak boleh. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Amirul understand? Okay, okay, faham Okay. Okay, kita pergi soalan ni. Okay, so masa pun dah ni dah. Okay, I discuss this question. Y'all check Okay, state the meaning of isomer. Very simple definition. So y'all letak molecules. Molecules that shows, okay, shows same what formula? Molecular. Molecular formula. Okay, then y'all put but different what formula? Different structural formula. You guys already score 1 mark. Okay, any question? So they ask the IUPAC name of alkene B. So bila you nampak ni alkene, this is belongs to C double bond C, right? So you nampak alkene double bond belakang kan? So you start dari sini. 1, 2, 3, 4. So N4 kita panggil apa? We call butene. Butene, and we have branch at carbon number 3. So carbon number 3, so you all put 3 dash. What is the name of the branch? Methyl butene. You guys already score 1 mark. Any question? No question, right? So if you want to find the isomer, very simple, cuba dapatkan rangka dulu. So I try to get the rangka for this. Okay, so untuk ni long chain berapa? 1, 2, 3, 4. Long chain 4. Branch ada tak? Branch ada 1. C double bond C start at carbon number what? Carbon number 1, carbon number 2. Start at carbon number 2. So jangan ambil benda ni, because they already draw one isomer. Okay, okay, then I try to get this isomer. Long chain berapa? 4. Okay, branch adalah berapa? 1. Okay, then the C double bond C start at carbon number what? Carbon number 1. Okay, so jangan ambil ni. So total N berapa? 5, right? Total N 5, right? Make it simple. They want how many isomer? Draw the structural formula of another isomer. Satu isomer saja. Total N 5, right? So what y'all do here? Make it simple. Long chain 5, branch 0, C double bond C start at carbon number 1. So you already got the answer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Double bond start at first carbon. So branch tak perlu letak. So each carbon must have 4 bonding like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So you guys already score. Ini semua padam, ini padam. Okay, you already score 1 mark. So you tengok dia punya long chain and 5. Ini pun N adalah berapa? 4 plus 1, 5. Ini pun N berapa? 4 plus 1, 5. So you want to make it 5. Okay, you tengok dia punya molecular formula C. Okay, you tengok molecular formula C5H adalah 10. Okay, ini pun C5H adalah 10. You tengok ini punya molecular formula C5H adalah 10. Finish. Ada tak dia minta nama? Tak ada kan? So you make it like this. Okay, or any other compound like this. Any question? Siapa dapat macam ni? Make it simple like this. Then after you finish, erase the rangka like this. Okay, you guys already score full mark. Any question? Any question? No question. Easy, right? Okay. So now we go for alcohol. Alcohol same like what? Alkene. Okay. Alcohol you kena main macam alkene juga. So we tengok yang ni butanol. Butanol N4 branch 0. Okay. No branch. Okay. So kenapa N4? Because here N4. You tengok ni N4. So functional group start at carbon number 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Untuk alkohol, I suka letak belakang. So this is carbon number 1. So here I put, y'all must put, cannot put like this, wrong. Okay, cannot put like this, wrong. Okay, sudah salah. Terus salah tau. So y'all must put like this, Okay, O, then H, baru dapat. Okay, each carbon, so ini sudah siap, ini sudah siap, ini sudah siap. Each carbon must have 4 bonding. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, C4, H9, OH. What is the name of this compound? Butanol. 1 mark. Any question? No question, Okay, so now what I do? C4, 0, double bond start after carbon number. Add carbon number 2, not after, I add carbon number 2. So what I do here? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, dia punya structural formula is different because functional group will present at carbon number 2. Carbon number 1, carbon number 2. Here I put the functional group. Okay, so each carbon must have 4 bonding. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Any question? So what is the name of this compound? Butan. Okay, the double bond start at carbon number 2, right? So, sorry, not double bond. The OH start at carbon number 2, right? So, 2OL. Any question? No question, Okay, so dapat kan? Kita tengok ada lagi tak? Ada lagi tak? So, what I do here, 3, this one, 1. Make sure all together mesti ada 4 saja. The functional group start at carbon number 1. Okay, so here I put 1, 2, 3. Dapat? Okay, branch present at carbon number 2. So here I put branch CH3. Sini tak boleh, sini tak boleh. Branch mesti ada between first and last carbon. Functional group start at carbon number 1. OH. This is carbon number 1. So each carbon mesti ada 4 line sahaja. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So when you planning like this, memang takkan lari. Dapat punya. So ini tengok, ini dapat. Okay. What is the name of this compound? So this one, methyl, right? So you put here methyl. Okay, the branch methyl. The methyl attached at carbon number 1. This is carbon number 1, carbon number 2. So methyl attached at carbon number 2. What is the name of long chain? Long chain ada 3, right? 3 we put propanol. Okay, dapat? Okay, saya tengok ada lagi tak? So carbon number 3, long branch 1, we start at carbon number 2. Carbon number 2. So kita letak macam ni. 1, 2, 3. So here I put branch. This functional group I put at carbon number 2. So I already got another isomer. So each carbon must have 4 bonding. 4 bonding. Dia tak pernah minta lukis semua tau. So tahun ni kalau dia minta semua, so that means it should be essay question lah. Okay, can So what is the name of this compound? 2-methyl. Methyl. Okay, and propan, right? So I put here propan. The functional group start at carbon number 2. Propan 2OL. Everything is different for 4 isomer. Kalau tak percaya, tengok dalam carta ni. Butanol N4 ada 4. Any question? No, eh? Okay, so you guys can do like this, easy for y'all to get the propanol. Mungkin cikgu tuition lain ajar benda lain pun you boleh ambil benda tu juga. Okay, can eh? Okay, all of you, any question? No question, eh? Okay. Okay, you guys want to copy down or screenshot? Screenshot lah. Okay, we try to draw do another SPM format question. This is will be essay question lah. Okay, I put 2 anak question. Okay, if done, one person angkat tangan. Oh, Christina sudah angkat tangan. Okay, Christina, okay. Okay, now we try to do this question. Look at this question. Okay, this is short essay question, you know. Dalam ni, daripada satu essay question, I take 2 question, you know. So this can give you how many marks? 1 plus 3, total 4 marks. Okay, 4 marks, Okay, kita tengok. Each compound have 5 carbon atom. That means this is N5, N5. Dapat? Okay, letak dulu. Okay, can I? So state the homologous series and functional group of compound R and S. So you need to identify compound R. Once you put, remember this, miscible in water. This is alcohol. Alcohol. Okay, insoluble in water. Alkane, alkene, alkyne. Okay, insoluble in water, alkane, alkene, alkyne. Decolorized brown bromine solution. This is confirmed alkene. Okay, alkene. Any question? Any question? No question, eh? Okay, what is the homologous series? So I put here compound R. Okay, they want the homologous series and functional group, right? Compound R, homologous series. So you all put alkene. Functional group, you draw C double bond. Sudah dapat 2 markah. Okay, next I put here compound S. Compound S. The homologous series will be alcohol. You guys already score 1 mark. Functional group, you nak tulis boleh atau you nak letak macam ni. Kalau you nak tulis, tulis hydroxyl. Hydroxyl group. Hydroxyl group. Kalau nak lukis, lukis macam ni. So you guys already score 4 marks. Okay. Lepas tu saya akan padam ni, saya tulis betul-betul. Okay, alkene, alcohol, like that. Okay, any question? Any question? No question, eh? So, next question. So, draw the structural formula of 3 isomer. Dia nak 3 isomer compound S. Compound S. Mana compound S? Alcohol. So, N5. So, what y'all do here? Y'all put the molecular formula first. What is the molecular formula? N5. Alcohol, right? What is the general formula of alcohol? Cn, H2n plus 1. OH. Lukis macam ni. Apply N5. C5. H will be 10 plus 1, 11. OH. Any question? This is the molecular formula. Dia nak 3 sahaja tau. Only 3. So what they all do here? Long chain 5. Branch 0. COH. I start at carbon number 1. This is my first isomer. So what I do here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, ini sudah siap. Branch tak perlu. So ini functional group 1, right? So this is OH. Each carbon I put, okay, I put 4 line. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I already got 1 isomer. Any question? Okay, the second one, very easy. Long chain 5, branch still 0. COH, I start at carbon number 2. Carbon number 2. So dia nak 3 isomer, dia tak nak semua tau. Dia takkan minta semua, dia nak 3 sahaja. So you do like this lah. Okay, so what I do here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The second number is this one, 1, 2, right? So this is functional group, second carbon, OH. So each carbon must have 4 bonding, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So you guys already score full mark. Any question? Okay, so number 3. So 3. So you want to play with double bond can, ni functional group can, ataupun you nak tukar dia punya long chain branch also can. Up to you. Dia tak minta semua. So what I do, I malas, saya nak buat macam ni. Long chain 4, branch 1, COH start at carbon number 1. Boleh? So I put here 1, 2, 3, 4. Functional group, you start here. Okay, first group ni kan. So the branch, okay, you kena letak sini ataupun sini lah, suka hati kamu. So I put here. This is your compound. Okay, function branch must present, cannot present at first carbon, last carbon tak boleh. So between first and last carbon. So each compound, each carbon atom must have 4 bonding. So you guys already score 3 marks for this. Any question? So dia minta berapa isomer? 3 isomer. Saya dah 3 isomers. So I already put all the 3 isomers. Any question? So I already scored 3 marks. Atas 4 marks, total 7 marks. Okay, semua faham? All of you understand? Okay, you guys can copy down. Okay, we go for next part, which is carboxylic acid. Carboxylic acid kena belajar betul-betul. I tried to go to carboxylic acid and also another one, which is esterification. So next week we can discuss the assay experiment. Can I? Okay, if done, 1% angkat tangan. Ni semua buat betul-betul Okay, done. Inman Zara done. Okay. So we go for next part, carboxylic acid. So under carboxylic acid, you kena jaga-jaga sikit sebab dia ada. Why kena jaga? Because they already give you 1 carbon here. They already give you 1 carbon in the general formula. That means the N should start from 0, 1, 2, 3 onward. Please memorize this. Okay, so this carboxylic acid is a weak acid, you know. Why weak acid? Kenapa weak acid? What is the definition of weak acid? Okay, that ionizes. How is ionizes? Partially, separa in water producing low concentration of what ion? Hydrogen ion. And this is what acid? Monoprotic weak acid. Okay, once it's ionized partially, kita kena guna reversible arrow. Okay, if ionized completely, 1 arrow. Okay, reversible arrow means ionized partially. Dia belakang dia akan pecah. Ini je pecah. So once dia pecah sudah ionized, this ion is known as what ion? Carboxylate. Carboxylate ion. Okay, write down this. Carboxylate ion. If let's say I take this one, CH3COOH ionized partially, okay, CH3COO negative plus hydrogen ion. What is the name of this ion? This ion we call ethanoate. Ambil AT letak sini, ethanoate ion. Okay, kena ingat, ethanoate ion. Okay, done Okay, done. I padam ini. Ni padam, ni terbayar. Okay. So what you guys do here, you guys write down the molecular formula and name. So before you do, you write down the general formula. CnH2n plus 1 COOH, apply N0. When you apply N0, this will be 0. This will be 0 times 0. Times 0 means, okay, 0. So you try to get the molecular formula. Okay, molecular formula. Ini sudah tak ada, ini sudah tak ada. Bila tak ada, kita ada satu H sahaja. So, HCOOH. What is the name of this acid? Ada satu carbon, right? We call methanol. Methanol IC, methanoic acid. Okay, if you apply N2, we try to apply N2, N1, CnH2n plus 1 COOH, apply 1. So C1, H2 plus 1, 3, okay, COOH. Okay, here already got 2. Okay, 1 plus 1, 2, right? So this is called ethanoic acid. Okay, propanoic acid propanoic acid you apply N2. C2H will be 4 plus 1, 5 COOH. So this is N3. 2 tambah 1, 3. So we call propanoic acid. This one you guys do lah. Okay, carboxylic acid is prepared through what reaction? Kalau ditanya dalam exam, carboxylic acid is prepared through what reaction? Your answer should be oxidation of alcohol. When oxidation of alcohol, remember what is the general formula of alcohol? CnH2n plus 1 OH. What is the general formula of carboxylic acid? CnH2n plus 1 COOH. Kalau ini N1, ini adalah N kosong. Kena tolak 1. Baru dapat dia punya ni. Then plus water. Okay. Tak percaya tengok di sini ethanol C2H5OH. Ethanol will give you what? Ethanoic acid. Jangan pergi apply N2. Salah. Okay. Kena ingat So N mesti ingat tolak. Okay, you must minus 1. Okay, you minus 1, you apply N1, which is CH3COOH, because they already give you 1C. Okay, propanol means N3, right? So you apply here. So C3H will be 6 plus 1, 7 OH. Propanol will give you what? Will give you propanoic acid, right? Don't go and apply N3. Already wrong. Tak boleh apply N3. You must apply what? Tolak 1. N3 minus 1 must apply N2. Mana kena apply? C2, sorry. Here 4 plus 1, 5 COOH. When you count this, you already got 3. 2 plus 1, 3. Understand or not? Understand? Very simple, you know. Easy. Okay, can all of you understand? Understand. Okay. Copy down. Okay. Next one, the experiment setup tak pernah keluar dalam structure question. So I take the experiment setup from the objective question. I design the question. So you guys try to do okay, try to do this question. Okay, they put butanol. Butanol, you guys put here alcohol. What is the general formula? CnH2n plus 1 OH. Apply berapa? N4. Once you apply N4, you dapat butanol. Apa formula butanol? C4H per 8 tambah 1, 9 OH. Okay, kan Reacted with acidified potassium dichromate 6. State the name of the reaction. This is oxidation of alcohol. Once you nampak ni, jangan bazirkan markah kamu. Just put oxidation, take 1 mark. Okay, what is the observation? Please remember acidify potassium dichromate 6. What is the color? Ambil O letak sini. Color is orange. Orange turns to what color? Turns green. You guys already score 1 mark. Any question? Any question? No question. Okay. State the name of compound R. Okay. So, kamu tengok di sini. Ni kan. Okay. Can I? So, I put here the name of this compound. Butanol. Butanol undergo oxidation. You guys will get what compound? Butanoic acid plus water. You all do equation like this. Can I? Ini adalah N4. Ini adalah N3. Mas tolak satu. Understand? So what is the name of compound R? Butanoic acid. So you guys put here butanoic acid. You already got 1 mark. Any question? No question. Okay, and next one. This one, butanol. Butanol, what formula? So you all put here butanol. So C4, sorry. Butanol, okay, what is the general formula of alcohol? CN, H2N plus 1 OH, right? Apply N4. C4, H will be 9 OH. You all put the symbol of oxidation. So after that, you put here CN, H2N plus 1, okay? Carboxylic acid, right? COOH. This is carboxylic acid plus water. So I put here plus water. Okay, nah? Carboxylic acid. Ini 4, ini apply 3. Okay, so you guys will get C3. H will be 6 plus 1, 7. COOH. Any question? After that, balance the oxygen. Sini 1, sini 2, 3, right? Here 1 plus 1, 2, right? So here you guys put 2. So the oxygen balance. Any question? Any question? Kalau you tengok di sini kan, N 4, here also N is 4. Balance. Any question? No question, eh?
Sir,
Okay, yeah.
if instead of writing 2O in exam, I write O2 salah, correct?
Which one? Where?
If the oxygen, if I put 2O, it's wrong, right?
2O. This one.
So if in exam, the 2O, I write O2,
Which one? Which one, yeah?
the reactants.
The reactant, this one, ah?
Yes.
See, I circle.
If I
You
letak
put
O2.
Oh,
Salah.
cannot. This one, the symbol for oxidation, you must put the symbol. This one, you get from where? From here. Okay? From Cr2O7, right? From here, it take 2 oxygen. That's why the compound, green color, orange color turns green. Okay? It supply oxygen. Okay, can
Okay.
I? You all put like
Thank you,
this,
sir.
ah? Okay. Acidify potassium dichromate 6. Okay, can I? Okay, predict what will happen if the experiment is repeated with butan 2OL. Okay, always remember carboxylic acid, right? C. Okay, I take one example. For example, I draw this, 1, 2, 3. Okay, this is the functional group of carboxylic acid. Okay, the functional group of carboxylic acid must start at first carbon. Second carbon all tak boleh. Kalau functional group of carboxylic acid must start at carbon A. Carboxylic acid, the functional group mesti mula pada carbon nombor 1. Tak boleh carbon nombor 2 semua. Alcohol can, alkene can. But carboxylic acid cannot. So in order to you get first carbon, the alcohol mestilah pada carbon number 1. Kalau carbon number 2, no reaction. This one should be at carbon number 2. Okay, apa akan berlaku during oxidation? What will happen? I show you. I draw this. I show you. Okay, so the acidify potassium manganate 7. This is alcohol, right? Acidify potassium manganate 7. Ini saya padam. Okay, ini saya padam. What will happen? Okay, kita tengok. Apa akan berlaku? So, these 2H akan pecah. Okay, you already got 2H. So, 1O join, you already got H2O. Sudah dapat sini. Okay, nah? So, after you already got the H2O, what will happen? This compound, the pergerakan, the bonding will move, the bonding will move. How the bonding will move? Okay, so here this bonding. Okay, ini ada satu bonding kan? This one akan naik ke atas, and this one akan pergi ke tepi like this. Okay, they will move. Okay, motion of bonding. So the acidify potassium dichromate 6 already give ni there's a 2H tadi pecah kan, already give 1 O here, so we put 1 O. One more O akan join sini, so it's already borrow 2 O. That's why you must balance 2. So you already got the carboxylic acid. Any question? Any question? So this one all will occur when the functional group of alcohol must start at carbon number 1. If secondary alcohol like probutan 2O, no reaction. Just put no reaction. Finish. Any question? Any question? No question. Okay. All of you understand, eh? Okay. Soalan macam ni belum pernah keluar, so make sure remember all this. Can? Okay, one more before I go for this. One more. Y'all see the book. Inside the book, chapter 2. Inside the book. Okay, wait. I show you. Inside the book, there's one part. Y'all must remember this one. Breathalyzer. Where is the breathalyzer? Okay, this one. Okay, the book ada kan? Ada buku tu kan? Buku yang saya buat last year. Okay, ini lama tak keluar dalam exam, so must remember this one. The breathalyzer is the one device used to detect the alcohol content in your body, you know. So inside the breathalyzer, dia ada satu liquid, apa liquid? Okay, so a sample of what? Blood alcohol. Dalam ini ada liquid apa? Acidified potassium dichromate 6. What is the color change? If let's say the person contains alcohol like ethanol like that, so this breathalyzer, it will change color. So what is the color change? Dalam exam kalau keluar, orange turns to what color? Green color. Kenapa dia change to green color? Because this is what agent? Oxidizing agent. Oxidizing agent undergo what reaction? Reduction. How to do the equation? How to do the equation? So ingat, what is the name of the substance present in the detector? Acidified potassium dichromate 6. You already score 1 mark. Atau you tulis symbol saja. Okay, what is the color change when a person's blood content is I? Alcohol content is I, orange turn to green. Okay, kenapa dia tukar kepada green? Because acidify potassium dichromate 6 ni adalah oxidizing agent. So you have to do the half equation. If they ask half equation, you go to redox and do. Okay, okay, so lepas tu dia akan tanya. Soalan macam ni belum pernah keluar, so make sure remember. Okay, a person detected alcohol that contain ethanol. What is the formula of ethanol? C2H5OH. Okay, name the process reaction between alcohol and acidified potassium dichromate 6 yang ada dalam ni. What is the name of the reaction? The name of the reaction you put oxidation. So you put oxidation. Write down the chemical equation. You take the ethanol, ethanoic acid, write the equation like this. Okay, understand? So simple is not simple. This type of question also can come out. Then they ask the effects of using alcohol. Semua ada dalam buku tu. So make sure study. Okay, they ask the use of ethanol like this. Okay, what is the misuse of ethan alcohol? Ada di sini. Okay, page 136. Okay, I already do that. Okay, okay, so now we go to our alcohol. Okay, we go for last part. Okay, last part. Okay, last part. Alcohol, I want you all to remember the first carboxylic acid. So carboxylic acid naming method sudah siap. preparation one question already done. Now we go for chemical properties. Okay, I stop after one properties. Okay, the chemical properties of carboxylic acid. Before we go, we write down the general formula CN H2N plus 1 COOH. Functional group, you all draw like this only. Okay, functional group. It will got two reaction. One is neutralization. Neutralization you tak perlu hafal 4. Okay, carboxylic acid, the famous neutralization reaction. You take the carboxylic acid, reactive metal. Mesti reactive. Reactive metal, you will get salt plus hydrogen gas. Ini yang paling penting. Okay, esterification nanti kita buat we try to finish up this. Okay, carboxylic acid react with reactive metals such as magnesium and zinc and will produce salt and hydrogen gas. Okay, we write down the equation. Number 1 I will do, number 2 you guys do. Ethanoic acid CH3COOH react with magnesium. What product you guys will get? Okay, can take out the ion CH3COO negative, hydrogen ion, magnesium ion. Bila nampak ini, terus letak H2 gas. Dapat? Ini pada. You nak letak depan boleh, belakang boleh. Patut belakang. So you nak letak depan boleh, belakang boleh. Okay, when you see here, make it simple, you know. When you see this is 2, this is 1. What you guys do here, you put magnesium, this whole thing bracket. Okay, bracket, close the bracket, take the 2, put here. Settle. You nak letak depan boleh, belakang boleh suka hati kamu. So settle. Okay, any question? Okay, kenapa benda ni berlaku macam ni? Why you have to do bracket? So we do here. Magnesium got 2 positive. Okay, so CH3COO got 1 negative. So you want to balance this. So ini sudah balance. Okay, we need one more ethanoate ion to balance this. Okay, to balance this. So sekarang kamu guna dua benda ni, buat dia punya formula. Macam mana nak buat magnesium, this 2, 2 kan? So I make it CH3COO, close the bracket, 1 and 2, right? I put 2 lah. Understand? Okay, so when you already put 2, here hydrogen also 2, right? In front of this, just put 2. Settle. Any question? Okay, what is the name of this compound? Ini what ion? Magnesium ion. Okay, magnesium ion, right? So I put here magnesium. Okay, magnesium. This is what ion? Carboxylate ion, right? So I put here ethanoate, ethanoate ion. So magnesium, what is the formula of the salt? What is the name of the salt? Magnesium ethanoate. You guys already score full mark. Any question? Any question? So you're going very fast. I still don't understand. Okay, you guys do this. Okay, 2 minit dari sekarang. Afika is here. Okay, time's up. We do together. When propanoic acid don't apply N3 because they already give you 1C here, you guys apply N berapa? N2. So once you apply C2H will be 4 plus 1, 5 COOH. You already got N3 here. Nampak? So mesti ingat So react with magnesium, what product you will get? So you all take out the ion Mg2 positive, take out the ion C2 H5 COO negative, take this hydrogen ion. When you see the hydrogen ion, make it hydrogen gas. Pop sound test. Okay, So ini dengan ini join. Kalau ini dua, what you guys do here? Magnesium open bracket, tulis semua ni. C2H5COO, close the bracket, put 2. That's all. After you do this, what you all do? Balance the equation, very simple. Dari tadi sini tambahkan, sini letak 2 sahaja. Any question? Okay, butanoic acid berapa you kena apply? 3. Okay, when you apply 3, 3 plus 1, 4. So I apply 3, C3H will be 6 plus 1, 7, COOH reacted with zinc. So what you guys will get, you all put hydrogen gas. Take out the zinc ion, Zn2 positive, take out the butanoate ion, C3H7COO negative. Okay, bila nampak macam ni, apa you buat? Zinc bracket C3H7COO, close the bracket, just put 2 here. So ini tambah, sini pun you tambah kan? So here just put 2. Okay, siapa dapat jawapan betul macam ni? Very good, well done. Okay, we go for last question. How many can give me the answer? Inman? Answer? Zara? Amirul? Okay. We do together. Okay, this is built. C. C ke? Okay, C lah. Kita tengok Okay, we do this one. Butanol, acidify potassium manganate dichromate 6. You will get what acid? You guys will get butanoic acid. Butanoic acid, right? Write down the general formula CnH2n plus 1 COOH. They already give you 1 C, right? So apply buta means N4, right? Apply 3. 3 tambah 1 sudah 4. So C3H will be 6 plus 1, 7 COOH. This is the answer. Where is the answer? C. Okay, Amirul betul. Okay, any question? No question Okay, next week kita akan buat last part of this chapter. Okay, then I want to discuss one essay question experiment which will come out ni, this one. Esterification. Kita ada last pada esterification. After esterification, kita habiskan semua ni. Okay, habiskan semua ni. Okay, lepas tu kita akan buat what? The experiment. The experiment can come out for this year. Okay, can Okay, before we go. Okay. Before we wrap up the session. Seorang jawab soalan ni? Siapa boleh jawab? Jawab terus. Yasmin, what is the answer? Christina? Nikhil?
Sir, I think it's A, sir.
Okay, we check the answer. Okay, which compound cannot burn in the air? This is combustion. Combustion, right? Which one can undergo combustion? Alkane, alkene, alkyne, and alcohol. Yang mana cannot undergo combustion? So please remember the one cannot undergo combustion is carboxylic acid and ester. This is carboxylic acid, this is ester, this is alcohol can, this is ethene can. So the answer 3 and 4. Okay, can I must memorize? Okay. Okay, we go for our last question, then we wrap up the session. Siapa boleh jawab, terus jawab. Adian, answer?
Not sure, sir.
Not sure.
So,
They both are belongs to same homologous series, alkane. This is C3H is what? 6 plus 2, 8. This is C4, okay, H is 8 plus 2 is 10. What is the difference between these? Okay, melting point, this one, melting point I. Okay, kenapa when this is covalent bond, right? Covalent bond bila size dia besar, melting point and boiling point besar. Okay, can I? Will be higher lah. Why? Because the van der Waals force will be stronger, getting stronger when the size is bigger. Can I? So melting point I, this is melting point low. So which one same, so ini tak boleh. Can I? Molar mass means you calculate this one. Okay, RAM of carbon 12, right? So 4 times 12, okay, plus 10 times 1, this one besar lah. Ini 3, okay, ini sorry. Okay, 3 times 12 plus 8 times 1, ini low lah. So the molar mass, this one is low, this one is high. Okay, ini pun tak boleh. Density, this is below, the molar mass is higher, this is more denser. So ini pun tak boleh. Solubility, both are alkane. Alkane insoluble in water. All alkane. So this one also insoluble, this one also insoluble in water. So answer C lah. Understand, Abhishek? Adian.
yes, sir.
Understand or not? Okay, so that's all for today. Kita jumpa next week. Okay, take care. Bye semua.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, thank
Okay,
you, sir.
bye,
See you.
bye, bye.
Bye.
See you. Bye, bye.